Nurse Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. George's deteriorating condition. It's time to discuss end-of-life care options with him and his family.
That's a difficult conversation to have, Dr. Mihira. Should I initiate the discussion, or would you like to speak with them directly?
I think it would be best for me to have a direct conversation. I can explain Mr. George's prognosis and discuss the available options.
I'll schedule a meeting with Mr. George and his family to address their questions and concerns.
We'll need to provide them with information about palliative care, hospice services, and other end-of-life options. It's important to support them during this challenging time.
Dr. Mihira, are there any specific concerns or wishes that Mr. George has expressed regarding his end-of-life care?
He's previously mentioned a desire to avoid prolonged suffering and to be comfortable in his final days. We should respect his wishes and ensure that his care is aligned with his preferences. Thank you for sharing those details, Mihira. It helps me get a clearer picture of Emma's symptoms. First of all, I want to assure you that head lice is a very common condition, and it's something that can affect anyone, regardless of how often hair is washed or how clean someone is. It's not a sign of poor hygiene at all, and it certainly doesn't mean you've done anything wrong as a parent. The good news is that head lice are entirely curable, and with the right approach, we can get rid of them effectively. Many families experience this at some point, so please be reassured that you're not alone. Now, regarding how head lice spread, Mihira, it's important to understand that they don't jump or fly from person to person. Instead, they primarily spread through direct head-to-head contact. This often happens during playtime, hugs, or activities where children's heads might touch. It's why they're so common in schools and close-knit environments. Less commonly, they can spread through shared items like hats, brushes, or pillows, but direct contact is the main way they move from one person to another.